So Samsung's next flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is all set to launch in early 2025. That's right, the anticipation is palpable, and we can hardly wait to see what innovative features Samsung has in store for us this time around. Following the massive success of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra has some incredibly big shoes to fill. So the burning question is, will it dazzle us with groundbreaking technology, or will it simply be a minor upgrade? Let's dig deep into everything we know so far and explore whether it's worth holding out for this powerhouse of a smartphone. When it comes to smartphones, there are a few key elements that can truly elevate your experience. We're talking about the camera, display, processor, and battery, the essential four pillars that support the entire smartphone experience. Each of these features plays a crucial role in how we interact with our devices daily, whether it's capturing those special moments, enjoying our favorite shows, or staying connected with friends and family. Let's start by diving into the camera, because we all know that a fantastic camera can make or break a smartphone for many users. According to ICE Universe, one of the most reputable leakers focused on Samsung, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera specs are shaping up to be pretty impressive. We're talking about serious hardware here. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect from its four rear-facing cameras, which promise to deliver stunning photos that make you look like a pro photographer. The S25 Ultra will boast a 200-megapixel primary camera with Samsung ISOCELL HP2 sensor, which is designed to capture breathtaking detail and vibrant colors in every shot. Imagine the clarity and resolution in your photos, allowing you to crop and edit without losing quality. The 10-megapixel secondary camera will features a Sony IMX754 telephoto lens, complete with 3x optical zoom. It's perfect for snapping those faraway shots without losing any detail, great for capturing wildlife or scenery. 50-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor is the Sony IMX854, which will give you a phenomenal 5x optical zoom, and with a pixel size of just 0.7 micrometers, you can say goodbye to blurry pictures when you're trying to capture distant subjects. And the 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera enter the new Samsung ISOCELL Gen3 sensor, which is set to make its debut in this model. This ultra-wide camera is expected to deliver outstanding performance, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes, group shots, and those breathtaking panoramic views with ease. Now, if you're familiar with the S24 Ultra's camera specs, you might be thinking, haven't we seen all this before? And you're right, the first three sensors remain unchanged. However, the real excitement comes from the ultra-wide camera upgrade. Additionally, with AI playing a more significant role in mobile photography, Samsung is likely to introduce enhancements that will take your photos to the next level. Imagine improved low-light performance that allows you to snap incredible nighttime shots, enhanced image stabilization for those action-packed moments, and even refined portrait modes that make every photo look professionally done. Who knows? We might even see that spectacular 100x space zoom feature return, making it easier than ever to capture distant subjects in stunning detail. Next up, let's talk about the display, because we all know that a great screen can make a world of difference when you're watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a gorgeous 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, keeping in line with its predecessors. The resolution is expected to stay at an impressive 1440 by 3080 pixels, which means you won't be able to spot individual pixels. Everything will look incredibly sharp and clear. Thanks to the LTPO 3.0 technology, this display will offer a super smooth experience by automatically switching between 1 and 120 Hz as needed. This means whether you're scrolling through your feed, playing high-intensity games, or simply watching your favorite shows, the experience will feel buttery smooth and responsive. One feature we're really hoping makes a comeback is the Gorilla Glass armor from the S24 Ultra. This fantastic feature significantly reduced glare and improved visibility outdoors, which quickly turned it into a fan favorite. With display brightness becoming the new battlefield among manufacturers, it's safe to say the S25 Ultra will likely boast an even brighter display than its predecessor. After all, everyone wants a screen that shines bright even in direct sunlight. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The S25 Ultra is set to roll out with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, a powerhouse chip that brings some serious upgrades to the table. With performance cores clocking in at a staggering 4 GHz, This is a massive leap from the 3.3 GHz we saw in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. That's some serious speed. Additionally, there are rumors of improved GPU efficiency and CPU performance, making this one of the most powerful chips on the market. For gamers and heavy users alike, this means faster load times, smoother graphics, and an all-around better performance experience. As for the software side of things, we can expect to see Android 15 and the next iteration, One UI 7, making their debut when the S25 Ultra launches. And yes, Galaxy Eye is returning, promising to enhance everything from your photography skills to your everyday interactions with the device. This AI integration is one of the standout features of the current Galaxy lineup, and we're excited to see how it evolves in the S25 Ultra. Thanks to Samsung's ambitious 7-year software support policy, this phone will receive updates until 2032. That means you'll enjoy major Android updates and security patches for years to come, ensuring your device stays fresh and up to date. Now, let's shift gears and talk about battery life, because we all know how frustrating it is when our phones die on us in the middle of a crucial moment. Recent reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain the same 5,000 mAh battery size and charging speed as its predecessor. While that may sound underwhelming at first, don't fret. If the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip proves to be efficient enough, we could see a nice boost in overall battery life. There's even talk of a new feature called Battery AI that might give you an extra 5 to 10% of runtime. That could make a significant difference in how often you need to reach for your charger throughout the day. We're also hoping for improvements in charging speeds. While the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra charged fairly quickly, both managing to top off in about an hour, there's always room for improvement. We'd love to see Samsung introduce faster wired and wireless charging options to the S25 Ultra. Currently, the fastest wireless charging speed is capped at 15 watts with the official charger, so there's definitely room to amp that up. Imagine being able to charge your phone wirelessly at lightning speed. What a game changer that would be. So, the big question looms. Should you wait for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you're currently using an older device and have been holding off on upgrading to the Galaxy S23 Ultra or S24 Ultra, then yes, waiting for the S25 Ultra could be well worth your while. This phone is shaping up to offer some significant improvements and exciting new features that could enhance your overall smartphone experience. However, if you already own the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the S24 Ultra, or if you have another high-end phone, you might want to think twice about waiting. Unless you're absolutely craving the latest and greatest AI features and camera capabilities, the S25 Ultra might not be a must-have for you. It all boils down to what you need from your device and how much you value those incremental upgrades. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup? Are you excited about what's to come, or do you have your doubts? Do you think the upgrades will be worth it? Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more tech updates.